Today we're going to be talking about creating your own digital paintbrush for the painted word project in Photoshop. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is figure out what you want to paint. This could be any one of your original photographs, and think about what words come to mind when you look at that photograph. We're going to be using those words to create or recreate an image of your choosing made up entirely of your own original paintbrush. At the end of the day, when we create this paintbrush, you're going to have a clump of overlapping, thicker, large letters and words in the center that slowly get thinner and smaller and kind of dissipate on the edge. Alright, so here's a little preview of what the paintbrush is going to look like at the end of the process. So to do this, you're going to go File, New, and you're going to create a much smaller document than we usually create. You're going to have a 7x7-inch document, and you still want the resolution to be 300. A white background is absolutely perfect for this. And press Create. So from here, you're going to use your text tool, and you're going to click and drag. And since this is about 7x7 inches, you want the size of the font to be approximately 72 to start, 60, 40, something kind of large. I'm going to start with 48, and I'm going to write my name. But you can also write anything else that comes to mind that relates to your image. So from this point on, you can check and see what fonts you like. I definitely went to the cloud and activated some fonts because I didn't really love the options that were available for me. And you can see right now I have the text tool. I'm going to do this a couple times with different words, different letters. And one more time. And right now I have words that are exactly the same size, exactly the same font. It's really not going to help make an exciting paintbrush. So what you're going to want to do is take each of these words, right-click on the layer, rasterize, click on the layer, right-click, rasterize. And now these are editable images. So to start editing, Control-T, and you can make some of them larger. You can rotate them a little. Press Enter. Same deal, Control-T, scooch it around, adjust it. And you're going to do this until the entire image is made up of really thick font in the center and really tiny, small things on the edge. When you're ready, when it's starting to look like this, you can also go to your layer bar, duplicate that layer, Control-T, scooch it around, and using your mouse or your arrow key, move it, resize it, re-angle it. Make sure that nothing goes off the edge of the canvas. To actually make it a paintbrush, go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and click OK after renaming it something you're going to recognize. Now, when you go to your new document, right here, loaded in your paintbrush, once you have it selected, is a brush that can be made larger, smaller. The color can be adjusted, and we'll show you next time how to use this image to recreate a photograph in a painterly way. That's the end.